Hi, hello everyone. This is Shivagami from SNS College of Technology. As I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Information Technology, here we're going to learn about the topic as software effort estimation and activity planning in software project management system. Let's see the topic. The introduction. Software estimating is the process of predicting the effort, cost, time and required to the complete a software project. Okay, for every project, most important is the software estimation. Software estimation, it means we're going to estimate the how much cost we're going to spend this project, how much effort we going to that means the manual effort we going to spend this project, and then we going to how much time we going to how much time required for this project completion. These are all the things we going to estimate before the project starting. Okay, before the project start we going to planning. These are all the things. This is called the project software project estimation. And then the accurate estimation is essential for the planning, budgeting and resource allocation. Okay, yes, of course we need a accurate allocation. Accurate estimation is most important for what are all the things we going to allocate. Budget, how much we going to use, the resources, what are all the things, what are all the resources for which task, and then we going to allocate the completion time of the project. And then it provides the fundamental for the project management discussions, provides a fundamentation for a project management discussions. The next one is why software estimation is needed. Already we said, okay, already we discussed in the first slide, and these are all the things. Okay, why software estimation is needed? It helps to project planning and scheduling. Okay, it helps to project planning and scheduling, determine the budget and resource requirements. It is used to determine the budget, how much we going to spend for this project, and then what are all the resources for we going to allocate for which task. Okay, these are all the things that we're going to estimate, and then support the decision making and feasibility analysis. Okay, and in this estimation is give a good decision making for the project completion, and then it reduce the risk of the project, and then it reduces the risk of the project delayed or failures. Okay, it helps, it's the most important thing, it reduce the risk of the project delayed or failures. Okay, so it is the most important use in the software project estimation. The next one is the basic steps of software estimation. What are all the steps we going to follow for our software estimating? Okay, the first one is past experience. The next one is expert judgments. Then the third one is the project size. The third one is project size, and then the fourth one is complexity of the system. The fifth one is what are the technologies we going to use the project. Okay, the past experience means use the data from the similar projects. Okay, that means we going to collect or we going to analyze the similar previous projects. Okay, this is the past experience. The expert judgments. Okay, we're going to consult with the domain experts, the related domain experts, and then the project size, the line of the codes or functions points. Okay, the project size, we're going to finalize the line of the projects, lines of the code and the function points, and then the complexity of the system. More complexity equal to high effort. Okay, if suppose a project have a more complexity means we going to put a high effort. And then technology, what are all the technology we going to use the project? That means the tools, platforms and languages, efforts The key elimination factors. The next one is the key estimation factors. Team skills and productivity. The first one is team skill and productivity. And then developer methodologies. Team skill is the more important one, and then the productivity. Okay, the developing methodologies, the many methodologies are we going to use for our project management system, like agile method, waterfall method, like that. Okay, the quality requirements and testing needs, the quality requirements and testings or needs, customer involvement and requirement clarity, hardware and software resources or availability. Hardware and software resources available are factors of the key factors of this one. And then the techniques are used in estimations, expert judgments, algorithm models, expert judgments. Already we learn in the I think third or fourth slide. These are all things only. They in that slides also we explained it. Okay, so expert judgments, algorithm. What are all the algorithm we going to use for our project? Analogy, the basic, the estimation, and then Delphi technology, functions points analysis. These are all the techniques used in our estimation. And the conclusion of this topic is software estimation forms the formation of project planning. Okay, it is used for our project plannings, and then it combines the experience, analytical methods and historical data. Reliable estimation improves the cost control and scheduling and project success. Okay, the finally it also give the reliable estimation improves our cost control. Okay, improves our cost control, and then we go scheduling the time of the project and then project success. Hope you have understand the concept. Thank you all.